Okay, welcome to this AI news brief. We've got a major development to break down today, a new tool that could seriously reshape how pretty much all software gets built. So let's get right into what you need to know.
So here's the headline. A powerful new AI model designed specifically for really complex software engineering has just been announced. And just to be clear, we're not talking about some minor update here. This could be a fundamental shift in how we even think about code.
All right, so what is this new tool, and why is it being called such a significant leap forward? Let's dig into the details.
Okay, it's called GPT-5-2-Codex. And the key phrase you need to pay attention to here is agentic coding. What that means is it's designed to act like an autonomous agent. It can take on complex software projects pretty much from start to finish, not just, help you with a few lines of code here and there.
And this is a really crucial distinction. We are moving way beyond AI as just a simple assistant that, say, completes a line of code for you. This model is being positioned as a genuine partner, one that's capable of managing and carrying out entire engineering jobs all on its own.
So what does that mean in the real world? What can it actually do? Let's look at the new capabilities that make this model so different.
This thing is really built for the heavy lifting. We're talking about huge, large-scale projects, like completely rewriting and optimizing a massive existing code base, a process engineers call refactoring. It can also handle what's known as long-horizon work, which basically means it can manage these complicated multi-step projects over a long time without losing track of what it's doing. And critically, it's got way stronger cybersecurity capabilities.
Of course, anytime you hear about this much power, especially in an area like cybersecurity, the next question is always the same, right? How safe is it? How do you actually control a tool that's this capable?
Well, according to the official evaluation, the model was put through some seriously tough testing under something called the preparedness framework, which is a system designed specifically to figure out the risks of advanced AI before it gets released. And the results give us a pretty clear picture of its strengths. In cybersecurity, it's rated very capable, which is powerful, for sure, but it's important to note it doesn't hit that next level of high. For biology, it's treated as high, and for its ability to improve itself, its AI self-improvement, it's currently rated not high.
So what does this all mean? Well, even though it didn't cross every single high-risk threshold, it's being deployed with maximum caution. It's getting the whole suite of safeguards. We're talking things like isolated sandboxing environments and super strict network controls, the kind of stuff that's usually reserved for only the most powerful AI systems out there.
But look, this release isn't just about this one model. It's really a signpost, and it's pointing to where all of this technology is heading next.
And you don't just have to take my word for it. The developers themselves are saying it very plainly. They expect future models to cross that high cybersecurity threshold in the near future. That tells you the speed of improvement here is not slowing down at all.
So the takeaway here is pretty clear. That gap between a very capable assistant and a high-risk autonomous agent, it's closing a lot faster than I think many people expected. AI's ability to navigate and actually change our digital world is just growing exponentially.
And ultimately, this isn't just about a cool new coding tool. It forces us to ask a much bigger question. As AI goes from being the tool to actually being the engineer, who builds the future? And that's a question we're all going to need to start thinking about.